Hey everyone and welcome back. Today is part one of two videos that I have coming up. These here are keycaps from the company called PWNAGE. Yes, that's the actual name. And these are keycaps that I plan to use on a keyboard build, which will be my second video in this series. So today will be a quick unboxing and review, so let's go ahead and get started. When looking for keycaps, I wanted them in blue, of course, and I wanted them to also be able to light up with an RGB keyboard, and I found these, which are shine-through keycaps. So essentially, only the markings on the keycaps will be seen through the RGB lighting. This is a complete set of keycaps for a full-size keyboard, so all of the keycaps are in this box. This is the first half of the keycaps. And then these are the second. Here, we'll take a closer look at the keycaps themselves. These here are the smooth type of keycaps. I did want some that had some diamond designs or some grip, but unfortunately this manufacturer didn't have any at the time when I was looking, but no biggie though. Alright everybody, so here is a closer look at the keycaps and my super scientific light show experiment. Obviously it won't be this bright when actually sitting on the RGB keyboard, but at this point I have yet to install them on that keyboard, so this will have to do for now. Overall, these keycaps look really great. I do like the feel and the smooth texture of them, and they should match the keyboard I plan on placing them in. Although some of the keycaps, as you might have noticed in the video, have a little extra plastic from the mold that it was cut from, but I don't think it will be an issue. It can always be sanded down, and as soon as it's installed, I don't think that will affect the key press. So as for now, this will be it for these keycaps. I'll show you guys the rest in the second part of this series. Okay everybody, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the second part of this video.